Montego Bay Sports Complex, becoming the home stadium of Premier League club Montego Bay United, is like music to the ears of the Maverick. I mean, for too long the Montego Bay Complex has been treated like a bad-behaving bastard child. So to hear now of plans for its lease to the new owners of Montego Bay United, even if it's just an idea, it's a very good idea. And no doubt there will be challenges in getting a move like this finalized. And after getting it finalized, it will also take a pretty penny. But now that we know there is a will, we know then we must find a way. The plans we hear and hope will not just be for football, but for other activities, including track and field and entertainment. So no matter how we look at it, this is a brilliant idea that must be encouraged and endorsed into being. The major hurdle, though, will be to get this move from the proposal stage to the reality stage. Then we have to turn that page.